Hello everyone. Today I am back with grammar of standard 4th. This is module number 8. So let's get started. Here in this module I'll be covering two topics. So let's start with the first topic. The first topic is words related to art. That is our first topic. Now what is art? Let us understand first. Art is a creative activity that expresses imaginative or technical skill. So what is art? It is a creative activity that expresses our imagination and creative technical skill. Now, what are the different forms of art? They are music, dancing, painting, and many more forms. Now, we will discuss some of the forms here. Now, why do we need art? What is the importance of art? If you see, all kinds of art can affect our mood in a positive way, making us feel happier, calmer, or even inspired to do something. So why art is important? Because it affects our mood in a positive way and it makes us feel happier, calmer, shant, or even inspired to do something. So that is art, importance of art. So let us see first form of art. I have taken the first form of art as music. We all love music now, isn't it? Now, what is music? Music is an art form and a cultural activity whose medium is sound. So, if sound is not there, we cannot understand, we cannot hear music. So, sound is important for music, and we like to we like it we like to listen to music. It is nice to listen to music. It calms our mood. It makes us happier. So that is music. Next form of art is songs. We all like to hear songs now, isn't it? A song is a musical composition intended to be performed by the human voice. So what is a song? It is a musical composition that is performed by human voice. So song has to be sung. गाना पड़ता है. With human sing the song using voice, that is song. In that music is added. The songs words are written for songs and human express their feeling via songs. Next art form is photography. Now what is photography? We all like to click photos na, different photos, isn't it? So photography is also an art and it is a practice of creating durable images. Durable means जो हमेशा हमारे पास रह सकते हैं. We can look at it afterwards also. That is durable images, and it is done with the help of a camera. So with what photography is done? It is done with the help of a camera. That is photography. Which is the next art form I have taken? It is dance. We all like to dance, isn't it? Now what is this dance? Dance is the movement of body in a rhythmic way, usually to music. So dance usually we do on music. Through dance our body expresses how free we actually are. So our body expresses itself. People prefer to dance for all kinds of reasons: to mourn, to celebrate, to heal, to give thanks, etc. For everything people like to dance. So that is dance. What is the next I have taken? Yes, it is sketch. Now we all know what is sketch. It is a form of drawing. Yes, but the person who is sketching, he also uses his pencil to put color on the drawing which he has done. Normally in drawing we use colors, but in sketch the pencil is only used as a color and with that shading is done. So that is sketch. The last form which I am discussing of art is painting. Now what is a painting? Yes, painting is a practice of applying paint. Paint is applied to the base with the brush or sponges. So on a paper where drawing is done or anything, the paint is applied using a brush. Nowadays maybe people are using from bag, but sponge and all are also used. Then it creates a mess, but it is a very good form of relieving one's mind and making it calm. It helps to express oneself. So painting is also a form of art. So here I have discussed some words which were related to art. Now I have discussed the words related to art. Can we, using the sentence, can we fill up these blanks and form the words which are related to art? Okay, come on, let us try. What is the first one? Nice to listen. And the blanks are given. So what is nice to listen? Yes, it is music. So spelling of music, music, music. The second one, done with a camera. What is done with a camera? Yes, it is photography, which is done with a camera. So what is the spelling of photography? PHOTOGRAPHY. That is photography. Next is made with a pencil. What is made with a pencil? Yes, it is sketch. So spelling of sketch is SKETCH. Sketch. Then can be sung. गा सकते हैं. What do we sing? Yes, it is songs. So what is the spelling of songs? SONGS. Songs. Then next is performed alone or in a group. Now if you pay attention on the brackets, according to the spelling, what is performed alone or in a group? We can do singing also alone or in a group, but the spelling is not of singing. So what is the spelling of? Yes, it is the spelling of dance. 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 Then done with paints during free time. Now what is done with paints during free time? Yes, it is painting. So what is the spelling of painting? PAINTING. Painting. So I hope you have understood the different art forms, different words of art form. Now in the next topic I'll be discussing some Indian classical dance forms. So what is the first one we'll be discussing? Yes, it is Bhangra. We all know Bhangra dance, na? Very, very popular, very famous. We like to do. Nowadays many songs are coming on that. Mostly people are doing Bhangra dance only. So what is Bhangra? Bhangra is the traditional dance of Punjab. So what is Bhangra? Bhangra is the traditional dance of Punjab. It is one of the earliest form of dance form. So Bhangra is one of the earliest form of dance form. Next we will see Kathakali. Now what is Kathakali? Kathakali is the major form of classical Indian dance. It is a story play genre of art. So what it is the dance is in the form of story. It has colorful makeup, costume and face mask worn by male actor dancers. It is a religious dance. It comes from Kerala. So from where does it originate? It originates from Kerala and it is a religious dance. Next we will see Kathak. Now what is Kathak? Kathak is also a classical form of dance from Uttar Pradesh in North India. So Kathak is from Uttar Pradesh. It is derived from the word Katha, meaning story, and during the whole dance, the dancers narrate stories through their eyes and expressions. So eyes and expressions are used to tell the stories. Next we will be seeing the Bharatnatyam. The Bharatnatyam is the oldest classical dance form. It originated in the Tanjore district of Tamil Nadu and is regarded as the mother of many other classical dance forms of India. It is the national dance of India. Next we will see Kuchipudi. Now what is Kuchipudi? It is one of the classical styles of Indian dance. It is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. It is from Andhra Pradesh. It is different from Bharatnatyam. So some poses, some expressions are different. So it is different from Bharatnatyam. That is Kuchipudi. The last dance form which we will be discussing is Manipuri. Now if you pay attention to the word, you will understand that from where it originates. Yes, it originates from Manipur. It is also known as Jagoi. It is performed as dance drama. It has a unique costume and music. The costume is very colorful. It is called Patloi. The lehenga is called Kumin. So can you see that lehenga or the ghagra which the lady is wearing? It is called Kumin. Its central themes are the love stories of Krishna and Radha. So that was some of the Indian dance forms which we have seen.